So how can you do cash deposits inside Revolut? Well, let me guide you through step by step. First of all, open up the Revolut app. Now, if you don't already have a Revolut account, I will leave you a link down below so that you can create one. Once right here, we will have to add money onto our account. So click on add money on the left, and this is then going to look something like this. You can put in how much money you do want to deposit, and by then clicking on the Apple Pay option, in my case right here, you're then going to see all of the methods available. Now, one thing which is important to notice is that right here you can see that the methods are going to be Apple Pay, debit or credit card, bank transfer, salary, and so on. However, I currently don't have a cash option available. This is because I live in Austria and cash isn't available in Austria. However, for bigger countries like, for example, the UK or the US, you can actually do cash deposits. This is going to work the following. You will have to basically generate a barcode, and you can then go to some retailers. You can then actually scan the barcode, you can give them the money, and it is going to show up on your Revolut account. However, this is going to be slightly different from country to country, so make sure to double check this on your own. Either way, I hope this still was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.